Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into something super important. Basic accounting terms everyone should know. Whether you're starting a business, studying for school, or just curious, these are the words you need in your financial vocabulary. Let's make accounting feel easy and fun. Let's go. First up, asset. Think of assets as things you own that have value. Your car, your laptop, your house, all assets. In business, cash, inventory, equipment, all assets too. Assets =, good stuff you control. Next, liability. Liabilities are the things you owe. Loans, credit card debt, mortgages. Liabilities =, promises you've made to pay someone back. Now, equity. Equity is what's left after you subtract what you owe from what you own. Simple formula, assets. Liabilities =, equity. It's like your personal ownership stake. Revenue. Revenue is the money you earn. Selling products, offering services, all the cash flowing in, that's your revenue. It's like the scoreboard of your hustle. Expenses. Expenses are the costs of running your business or your life. Electric bills, rent, groceries, internet, all expenses. Expenses =, money flowing out to keep things running. Profit. The magic word everyone loves, profit. When your revenue is bigger than your expenses, that leftover money is your profit. Profit =, you're winning. Accounts receivable. Fancy name, simple idea. When you've sold something but haven't been paid yet, that money you're waiting for is called accounts receivable. You're basically saying, hey, you owe me. Accounts payable. Flip it around. When you owe someone else money, that's accounts payable. Example, you got a service, now you need to pay the bill. Balance sheet. The balance sheet is like a snapshot of your financial health at a single moment. It shows your assets, liabilities, and equity, all balanced out. It's your financial selfie. Income statement, also called a profit and loss statement, P&L. It shows your revenue, expenses, and profit over a period of time. It answers the big question: are you making money or losing money? And that's it. Subscribe for more easy-to-understand content and drop a comment if you want a part 2 with some advanced accounting terms. See you in the next one.